我们每个都选不一样的啦。
You done choosing over there? Yes. Put in
Coriander, garlic.
black pepper. You can use the root or the stem. Peel shallot and chop them fine. Okay? Like same size as garlic. And chive, garlic chive. Cut the white stem off. Cut them big. We have kale, right? When you cut it, I want you to cut the kale leaf like that, big chunk. And when you put, you separate from the stem. Mix it gentle. You want to make sure all black, yeah? You see that? And your sauce for the stir fry, of course, you have the spoon here. We're gonna add soya, about half teaspoon. Did you see we do with the egg?
Yes, I saw it.
That's okay. You crack an egg in here, and then we break the yolk and you roll the yolk. That's a technique for the egg for pad Thai and pad Siu.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Okay. Pickle radish and dry shrimp. Get until the noodles soft. Then turn the gas off. Yeah. See if you're off. Yeah. You see the noodle?
Yeah.
You see how
It's
elastic?
Yeah.
You see? Hot, na? We have a vegetarian pad kara pao. Pad kara pao j. You see that? We have fried egg and veggie and tofu. Healthy dish. Okay. Sauce in. Sauce, yeah, all in. You see the noodle? It's getting soft now. You see that? You feel the noodle? Yeah, this is time. The noodle is cooked. You see that? We're gonna add eggs. Okay, so you crack an egg in and don't stir, yeah? Sauce already. Water, clean the sauce bowl. Pour water in and make it high flame.
May I put it in here?
Yes, please.
I need to mix it.
Okay, we break the yolk. And you use the wok like that. Can you roll like a crepe? Can you do it? Okay. Done everything, no?
I don't think that's the plate, Mommy. It is the plate. It is.
That's a pad Thai plate. It's different. You guys have different plating, different thing. The vinegar.
Yeah.
Okay. And now see that? And then the egg cook. And then you stir, you flip. Beautiful. Yay. Good job. Now you can go eat.